Hi, I'm Stuart Lawrence, Technical Services Manager here at Wren Kitchens. The following guide is to show the simple steps to replacing the frontal of your kitchen drawers. Open the drawer and remove the cover caps. Using the required screwdriver, turn the release mechanism to remove the existing drawer front. Check all packaging for damage. Lay the box down on a clean flat surface. Open carefully and remove the protective packaging. Lay your replacement frontal face down using some of the packaging to prevent damage. Remove the fixings from the original frontal. Transfer these onto the new drawer front and secure into place. Click the new frontal back into place. Check for alignment. Lock into position. Refit all cover caps.